Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Nubia RedMagic 11R, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-bar navigation, you have to tap on the square icon to open the recents, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. So to turn off all of the apps, simply tap on this X button right in the middle, and we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.